Okay, bro, I will ask you just two questions and you will immediately understand what this trick is all about, yeah? Okay, question number one. Are you comfortable right now? Yeah, you probably are. You are sitting on the sofa, you are laying in the bed, it's nice, comfortable, warm, it's amazing, yeah? And the second question is, what would make you feel uncomfortable? Okay, maybe studying, maybe going to the fitness, maybe working on YouTube channel, maybe working on Instagram management, let's say, yeah, maybe affiliate marketing and so on. So hard work. So just go do that then. You know what I mean? So this is the whole trick. Just ask yourself every day, the whole day, just two simple questions. Am I uncomfortable or am I comfortable? Or what would make me feel uncomfortable? And that's it. It's so simple, it's so stupid, it's so silly, and yet extremely effective. For me, I'm starting this since Monday, and this whole week has been amazing because I was constantly asking myself, yeah, okay, what is uncomfortable for me? And then I just went to do it. You know what I mean? And if we want to take this thing a bit further and explain it a bit, yeah, why is this so effective? It's basically because in Too Hot to Handle season 4, I watched it and I know you're maybe thinking, yeah, it's a retarded show. And there was one guy who said, yeah, men should feel comfortable by being uncomfortable. And this is the reason for the growth. And I was thinking a bit, yeah, okay, that's true, you know. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger, as people said. So you can just apply these questions, yeah, am I comfortable and what will make me feel uncomfortable, to everyday life, you know. Okay, maybe you see not a little, maybe you see an attractive woman in the street or in the club, in the bar, whatever, and then you really want to talk with her and you are a bit afraid, you know, and then just ask yourself, okay, I want to talk with her, I want to, yeah, get her number or whatever. Will that make me feel uncomfortable? Yeah, it will. It would, because it would make me feel uncomfortable as well when I was a bit younger. And then you just go, you know, and whatever happens, happens, you know. If others will mock you, if others will make laugh at you, then you can just say, at least I tried and I shot my shoot, or how do you say? While you guys were just drooling and sitting and not doing anything. You know what I mean? So from now on, bro, I want you to ask those two questions and you will notice after 1 week your productivity will be much better. Trust me. So you know what to do the hard work and see you on top of the world, bro.